Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add circle to video in Kdenlive. So for example, we have here this video which have been added to our project. So now we need to drag and drop this video to the timeline, and here we need to select this video and we need to click right mouse button on this black field. Now I go to add title clip. And here I need to click on this one option with icon with an arrow, and now I need to go to add ellipse option. Alternatively, you can use shortcut Alt E to do it, but I will click here to open it, and here you can easily draw a circle, maybe something like that. Of course, you can modify the color here. For example, I can click here and I can select the green color and click OK button. We can modify the border color. For example, I click on this one option and I will select here red and I click OK button. We can modify the border width, so I can increase this value or decrease this value. Everything depends on your preferences. And of course, if you want to have here transparent color and you don't want to have here green fill color, you need to click on this option. And now on the alpha channel, you need to type 0. Then we need to click OK button. And after that, we will be able to see here the video content inside this circle. So now I can click create title and I need to drag and drop this circle to my timeline. So I drop it somewhere here and I resize duration of this circle. And now if I will click play button, I will be able to check the effects. So how you see, the circle is here and it has been successfully added to our video. Yeah, so it is how it works. If I helped you to add circle in Kdenlive, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.